Tina, and this is a 1-octave G major scale tutorial. We're going to start all the way down here on the clarinet. So everything is down. You're going to put your thumb down over here in the back. E, D, C, B natural, A, G. We're going to start here on G. Your next note is A, B, C, D, E. The one spot other than the B where it gets tricky is the F sharp. So just the front right there, and you'll lift that up for G, nothing down. Keep your fingers curved and close. Returning is F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, G. Happy practicing, and if you have any comments or questions, please write them below. Thanks for watching.